Hello, this is Jill from Gilbert's Bits of Bites, and today I'm going to show you my banner action. It's not anything that's brand new, but it's something that I have not recorded a video for, and I had someone who's confused, and so I thought I better do a video. So let's get started. As you can see, this is made up of several different actual individual actions, and you're going to work with shapes. Let me get this shapes thing up here. So you have this folder. Whoops, I had already done it. Um, you have this folder and you have these different banner shapes. And then this is one other shape thing is for stitches that you'll see later on. Now, for this one that says half circle, you only use a half circle. It'll bugger up if you try to use any of these. If you try to use the half circle for the rectangular triangle banner, it'll bugger up and you don't want to do it. So trust me, you don't want to do it. So let's start. Let's do a rectangular one. That's nice and easy. So what you want to do is navigate to where the your shapes are. I'll go with that. And just place it. And you see I spaced it out. Now, now we're going to add paper, and we're going to navigate and place them. And don't worry about adjusting them or anything yet. You're given a chance later on to do that. Just get everything into this folder, into this file right now. Let's see if I can find something. I'm just randomly going through here. Okay, so this is where you can adjust them. And that was the main purpose of this particular action. I had a colleague who didn't like the idea that she couldn't play around with how the papers were placed when she was doing a banner or working with them on a template. Don't exactly remember. I did this several years ago, but this was really a collaborative effort because there were several designers that were giving me feedback as to what they wanted to see in this particular action. So anyway, if you want to change them, just click stop. But let's, get things done, let's just say continue. And that's it. Your banner's all set up. And as you will notice, I put in this little string in the background. So don't worry about that right now. You don't have to work on it. What the next one is add shadows. And what this will do is this will add a little shadow so it looks like this has been folded over that particular piece of string. So if you see this, continue. And that's it. If you're happy. Now see, as you can see over here, I haven't merged it. So if you want to stop and come in here and adjust that up there a little more, you can move the shadow around. Okay, so if it's fine, just hit go ahead, stop. Okay, that was the shadow. Now the stitches, you remember you saw that in the shapes folder. We'll add the stitches, and as you can see, you navigate over to it. Skinny little thing's hard to get. Okay, don't worry about placing it because I'll place it in there for you. Just accept it, and there it is. Now, if you want to style these stitches, you need to stop now because after this I will merge it. Okay, so there's some neat stitches that Karen Schultz Designs has. It's threads. I hope she still has it, but anyway, so see there? It's cool. It's just beyond cool as far as I'm concerned. It literally looks like I've got some thread in there. Okay, so now that I've styled it, I'm happy with it. Let's just say and as you can see, I merged it all right there. All right. So now you want to finish the banner, unless you want it straight. But this is the one to add the little swag to it. And there you go. You got a nice little thing here. You can save it off desktop. Now, as you can see, that string there, and I told you not to worry about it, hasn't been styled. So you're going to want to put a style on it. Here, let's use, yeah, so you can see it. Now, you probably want to take the drop shadow off. But if you forget, you can run this remove outer shadows and it will take the drop shadow off, even if it's been merged. Okay, so there it is. I finished my banner. That's the finish, and let's save it again. Can't save them right? So that's it. I hope you enjoy playing with this. There's a lot of possibilities. Bye.